Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 from your phone and you can work anywhere and whenever you want. So first of all, you need to go to this website called affiliates.fiverr.com, and it's a Fiverr website, and you do not need to offer any services over here. You do not need to create a gig or work for anyone over here. All you need to do is you will promote someone else's services, and when the buyer will purchase that service, you will earn commissions for that. That's how simple it is. So you can earn up to $1,000 per single conversion. All you need to do is go to this website and click on start earning now. And once you sign up to this website, then you can go for Facebook and search for the people who are looking for services. For example, you can search for the people who are looking for video editor. So you need to go to Facebook and write need video editor. So click on that and you will see a lot of people over here who are actually looking for video editor. So all you need to do is you can go to comments over here and you can place the affiliate link of video editors from fiverr.com. Okay, so you will go to fiverr.com and look for any video editor and then get an affiliate link from the fiverraffiliates.com, and you can comment it over here, or you can direct message to this person who is looking for that particular services. So this is how you can make money online right from your phone, and you do not need to work by your own.